Welcome back. Today we're going to go over some of the things that I've already done on this machine. One of the things I did is I got me some microphones, new DJI microphones. We're going to give them a shot and see how they work. I don't know if it's going to be any good or not, but we'll try it. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got all the pumps in. I got new lines in, new clamps. Yep. I haven't cleaned down here yet. It's still a little mucky. I got the battery in. You can see that. I haven't done all the wiring harness that needs to be done, but that's okay. I think there's enough here to get it to start. I got all the pumps in, all the lines connected. What we're going to do today is, I got all the oil in. I put, I don't know, about 14 gallons in the tank, right up in here. So we'll see if that works. I got all new hydraulic filters. There's a new one in there. There's a new one in there. New air filter. I haven't changed the fuel filters, and I might need to. Not sure. We'll see. These are all the filters that I use to replace everything with. You can see the numbers. That's the air filter. That's the, I don't remember. But those are two hydraulic filters that I put in there. So we're going to fire this thing up and see what happens. Hopefully everything goes as expected. So I'll turn the key on. I'll come around to this side. Oh, and the slop that I used to have in controls are pretty much gone. You can see this is the neutral thing again, and that one there. No slop, or very minimal. So let's fire this thing up and see what happens. Throttle back, push the button. Oh, okie doke. Sounds all right so far. I don't hear any whining. I see the tire, the axles are turning. I'm gonna have to adjust the neutral on these. I kind of figured as much. No whining in the hydraulics. That's good. Yeah, that's really good. I like that. Oh, this one's turning too. We're gonna have to adjust both sides. I kind of figured as much, but let's set you down here, and let's get to adjusting these things. I'm gonna do that side first, which is the left side, I believe, right? Yeah, that's the left side. All right, let me do that one first. Nuts on the bottom. Can't get a wrench in there very easily. Well, ain't that a peach? Alright, let me get a little better situated here for this, and we'll see how it works. We'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm ready to start again. Now that I got situated a little better. Let's see what happens. There's a jam nut on the bottom of that needs to come loose, and then you turn that. So let's see what happens. I'll start her up again. nut down here and you adjust this thing here. That's going faster, so we gotta go the other way. It's going slower. It's almost stopped. More if I can get it to turn. Man, that's hard. It's almost stopped. I think the threads are a little messed up. That stopped right there. Let me bring you around so you can see what I did. Alright, you can see they're not turning anymore. I don't know how well you're going to see in there. There's a yeah, I can't see. This nut right here had to be adjusted. So we're good on that now. You can see they're not moving anymore. That's reverse, forward, neutral. Looks good to me. Alright, let's get to the other side. Let me tighten this all down and we'll do the other side. Alright, well I got the right side of the machine all tightened up and that's good. It's not turning anymore. Now we're going to do the left side. This one should be a little easier. It's a little easier to get to. Seems like anyhow. We'll see how that works. That's get some light down in there. That should do. I gotta loosen this nut right here. I don't know how well you can see that. I gotta put some tools on. This nut right here. That's what allows you to adjust this up and down. Seems like it's in a good spot. All right, well let's get you mounted up here. Right here it looks like a good spot. Yeah. All right, let me crack this loose before I start it. Oh, wow. Yeah, they didn't want that to move. Okay. All right. I gotta start it now. Yeah, it's still spinning. So it needs to go that way, so I have to loosen it. All right. Alright, now it's stopped. Right there. That looks like a good spot. Just hold this guy here. Tighten that nut in my hand as far as I can. Wow, those are really touchy. Very fine adjustment on it. All right. I think that's tight. Give it one more ugga-dugga. Okay. Yeah, we're good. As you can see, that one's not turning. Let go of the handle. Let go of the handle. Perfectly adjusted. Alright. Same with this one over here. Let go of the handle. Let go of the handle. Alright. I'm liking that. As far as leaks, I see a little bit on the bottom there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there is a little bit of a leak down there. I believe it's coming out of the shaft. I don't see nothing dripping it. Looks like it might have been just when I first started it, it started leaking. And has since self-sealed. Yeah, there's nothing dripping that I can see. So I'm going to wipe that up down there and see what happens. But I have another problem with this thing now that I didn't have before. So we're going to have to find out what's going on there. And I'll show you what it is in a second here. After I got done adjusting the right side, I gave it some throttle to see how well everything is spinning and see if I get any leaks. And there's a little bit of a leak down there. Not much, but a little bit. I don't know how well you can see that. A little wet down there. At least that main seal is not leaking anymore. That's a good thing. Yeah, it's a little bit of a leak. But I'll power wash everything down, and then I'll find where all the leaks are, and I'll address them at that time. But yeah, I was throttling this thing up, and it didn't do anything. It has like no power at all. Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. And here you can see the throttle linkage. That's idle, so when I give it full throttle, that's all I get. I don't get nothing any better. I don't know if these filters are plugged or what's going on. So I'm going to have to investigate that. When I first started it, I was able to get full throttle, but I can't get it no more. So I don't know. These old machines are fun to play with, aren't they? Alright, well that's a good place to stop for now. At least I got everything sealed up as best as I can. I do have some leak there, but like I said, after I get everything all power washed down and cleaned up, I'll be able to tell better where this stuff is leaking from. Let me know how the mic's doing. I think it's gonna work okay. Well, we'll see. Okay. Like I said before, if you enjoyed this one, hit the like button. Don't cost you a dime. Consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. Boy, words are tough today. That's funny. And until next time, we'll see you around.